Title: The Adventures of Queen Isabella. Once upon a time, in the magical land of Enchantia, there lived a kind and wise queen named Isabella. Queen Isabella ruled over the kingdom with love and compassion, ensuring that all her subjects were happy and safe. She was known for her golden crown, sparkling with precious gems, and her beautiful flowing gown that trailed behind her like a waterfall. One sunny morning, as Queen Isabella strolled through the royal gardens, she noticed a small group of animals gathered near a tree. Curiosity piqued, she approached them and discovered a tiny bird with a broken wing. The queen's heart filled with compassion, and she gently picked up the injured bird, vowing to care for it until it was well again. With the help of the kingdom's skilled healers, Queen Isabella nursed the bird back to health. During the bird's recovery, the queen spent time learning about its species and their unique abilities. She discovered that this particular bird belonged to a rare group known as the songtail birds, who possessed a remarkable gift for singing enchanting melodies. As the bird regained its strength, Queen Isabella had an idea. She wanted to share the joy of the bird's enchanting songs with her kingdom. So she arranged a grand celebration in the royal courtyard, inviting all her subjects to witness the bird's magical performance. On the day of the celebration, the kingdom's residents gathered in anticipation. Queen Isabella took her place on a golden throne adorned with flowers, and the tiny bird perched on a branch nearby. With a wave of her hand, the queen signaled the bird to begin its performance. As the bird started to sing, a wave of enchantment spread throughout the courtyard. The melodies were so beautiful that flowers bloomed and danced, butterflies swirled around, and even the clouds seemed to part to listen. The kingdom was filled with wonder and awe as they witnessed the magical performance. News of Queen Isabella's celebration spread far and wide, attracting visitors from neighboring lands. The queen's kindness and her ability to bring joy to others made her beloved not only by her subjects, but by everyone who heard of her story. Inspired by the success of the celebration, Queen Isabella decided to create an annual event called the Festival of Harmony, where talented singers and musicians from all over the kingdom would gather to share their gifts. The festival became a cherished tradition, bringing people together.